Hey.
Can I turn that on?
What? Yeah, in a minute. So we're about to wrap some presents. Happy Vlogmas week 2. We got these from Target. We got this paper from Target. It's super cute. So all the adults gifts, I think we're gonna wrap them in these. I like it. Alright, y'all. Okay, so it's Wednesday the 8th, and I had plans to put the Christmas tree up today, but that did not happen. Anybody else like religiously wipe off the top of their cans? Because same. So I made chicken noodle soup. If it will focus. Ah. I love homemade chicken noodle soup. It's like one of the easiest, fastest, and like most delicious soups. Like I swear it is. But so let me tell you about my day. I did not vlog. I'm so sorry, y'all. I've got to like get used to vlogging again, because I'm just like not used to vlogging all the time since I've just like taken, I haven't like taken a break, but I've just like not done as much, you know. Well, yesterday, so y'all saw us wrapping presents last night. Well, yesterday we went to, my mom came with me to go to my final with me. I only had one final, like in class I only had one final. My mom had a doctor's appointment yesterday, like in the same town that my college is in, so we went. I didn't have to be there till 12, so I took my final. Then me and my mom, we went and got some lunch real quick because my final was at 12. Her appointment wasn't until 1:30, so we went and got lunch. We went and got Wendy's, went to her doctor's office. Chandler had his last final yesterday too, but he was taking it here in town, so I had to rush home because he was taking his final at 2:30 and we were like 20 minutes away, and so we had like back to back things going on. We had a good day though. But so at 2:30 took him to his doctor's appointment, to his proctored exam, and then he was talking about going to Target. We don't have a Target here where we live. Our Target is like an hour away, like literally like just over, like a couple minutes over an hour. So we went to Target, and I didn't love the idea of going because we were it was like kind of later. We left at like 3:30, something like that. I can't remember. And so we got there around like 4:35. Yeah, it had to have been like 3:30 when we left. And so we went to Target. It was really fun. I'm glad we went. We spent, altogether, the three of us together spent like $270 or something like that. I can't remember. We got some stuff that we needed, and we got like just regular household stuff too. So and then we came home. We got some food. I got a little mini personal pizza from Pizza Hut with mushrooms, black olives, and onion, and it was so good. We wrapped presents last night, and then y'all saw that. This morning I woke up about 9. We were gonna go eat with my friend at McAllister's, so at like 12 though, but we woke up at 9, or I did. Chandler woke up about 10. He got up, he had to go get his hair cut. He was back around 12, but my friend wasn't, like, she lives about 10 minutes down the road, and she had not left her house yet. So I told Chandler, I was like, hey, like, why don't you just go take a shower real quick? Because he wasn't gonna take a shower. Okay, that sounded wrong. He wanted to take a shower, but then he got back a little bit later than he thought he was going to, like 12:10, 12:15, something like that. And then I was like, well, she hasn't even left her house yet. Why don't you just come in and take a shower? Because he was not gonna, like, you know, he was just like gonna like wait to take a shower after we got back, if that makes sense. So, but anyway, he ended up taking a shower, and then we went and we paid our insurance for our car real quick, and then we go to McAllister's, we eat, And then it's around like 3 o'clock when we leave McAllister's. Well, me and Chandler, we come home, I lay down, and I like immediately, like, I take my socks off, I take my coat off, I took my Apple Watch off. I was like, I'm taking a nap, because I was like, I don't know what, I was just like in like a bad mood. So I was just like really tired and stuff. And so around like 4-ish o'clock, we fell asleep. And then it's like it's 7:10 now, but I woke up about like 5:45, about 5:40, something like that. I need to make sure that I got everybody's Christmas present like together. I feel like it's the 8th of December. I'm just like nervous that like if I order something, it's not gonna come in on time. But I do not feel like going shopping again. But yeah, I made fresh like homemade chicken noodle soup. Usually I use a rotisserie chicken, but they were out at the store when I like did a pickup order. They were like, sorry, we're sold out. And I was like, ugh. So I had some frozen chicken breasts in the freezer, and I just cooked a couple of those. And then I did carrot, celery, onion. I do chicken bouillon, water, onion and garlic powder. I did a little bit of Slap Your Mama in there. It tastes real good. Salt, pepper, a bunch of good stuff in there. And I don't know, I just like, this is like my favorite soup. And like, I'm not a fan of chicken noodle soup. I feel like I said that last time I made this, but I'm not a fan of chicken noodle soup, but homemade chicken noodle soup is my favorite. I'm gonna eat this, do some more online shopping, I guess. I'm so tired of shopping, y'all. I think I hate it because I'm not good at like picking out stuff for people. All right, I'll talk to y'all later, tomorrow, whenever. Bye. All right, y'all, we went and picked up Chandler's phone. iPhone 13 Pro. In the silver. The camera. iPhone 13 Pro. And I don't know where his case is. He got a clear case from Heyday. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Heyday. And then he got a pop socket wallet, a black one. All right, y'all. I already showed it. Chandler was inside when I showed it. He said I can rip it.
Your mama being at that truck station. Wasn't it a truck station where they told her, talk some more, I like your accent. They'd have done that to me too.
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. Can I rip this off too?
My mom and dad.
You can do it. I did it on my phone, didn't
You can do it.
I? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Right.
No, leave it on because I want to.
I want to do it.
Can you put it back on there?
No one.
I don't want to mess the screen up till I put a screen protector on it.
It's not gonna mess it up. Calm yourself. Baby, I'ma give you all my love. And it's like matte on the back.
And it's gonna make Sarah get to upgrade.
You know, Joe and
I might just trade this one in that I got.
they're only 3 years apart, but Joe does not have that. Gosh, Wendell's got, you know, that real bad country. He's worse than me. And I hope he's a whole lot worse than me. I hope I don't sound. But when I've heard myself on the phone, like on a recording,
I'm gonna have to get a new phone.
but you know.
Good morning. So it is December 10th and it's about 11:30 in the morning. I'm drinking Diet 7-Up and eating some of these pretzels for the first time, and they're delicious. I finally found them at Walmart. I saw them in the aisle and I was like, yep, you're coming home with me. So anyway, but I'm sorry I look so ratchet. It's just, that's the vibe, okay? Anyway, but no one ever talks about what these taste like. They're kind of spicy a little bit, and like, I love spicy stuff. These have a kick to them. I'm watching Colleen at the moment, and I'm trying to get everyone's Christmas done and over with. I have one more thing to buy, I think. Just one more. Just one more. Everything that I have bought has shipped. I did buy some stuff from Shein, so we'll see if it gets here on time. Not sure. I am just sitting here. She's literally asleep on the clothes. Taylor's at work right now. I'm gonna edit or something, I don't know. Feels weird not having to do homework because like I'm done with everything. That feels weird. So yeah. But for breakfast this morning, I had blueberry waffles, and they were like already made. I just like toasted them in the toaster, and then I added blueberries, strawberries, and banana on top with sugar-free syrup and a little bit of whipped cream, and they were delicious. Also, I just started my time of the month yesterday, so I'm extra snacky. Anyway, but like I said, Chandler's phone came in. So I have to send his old one back to get this. We're trading this in for $700. Can y'all believe that? That's a lot of money. If I were to trade my phone in, it's only worth like $400 and something dollars. Whatever. Anyway. I just feel like my life is very boring, guys. So that's why I'm not doing like daily vlogs this time. I'll see y'all the next time I see y'all. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, so I just like brushed out my hair and then wet it and put a little bit of product in it. But we got these pet wearables from Target the other day, and it's got a scrunchie for mama and a bandana for your dog. It's not so cute. That is so cute. Come on, Rosie. Come here. Come here, Mama. Come here. She's like freaking out. You take their collar off. She has this really cute tie-dye collar with her name on it and all that stuff. You know, you take their collar off and then you like thread this through here. Take that tag off. Come on, Mason. Come here. So you thread this through here. Just like that. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. Oh, it's a girl. And then you put their collar on just how they had it. Isn't that right, Mama? She thinks she's getting bad. She's like freaking out a little bit. It's okay. It's alright. Okay. Go lay down. She's like freaking out a little bit because she thinks she needs a BATH, which she does, but she thinks she's getting one like right now, so. Anyway. But yeah, so I'm about to like, I think I'm gonna do some makeup or something. I'm not sure. I'm not feeling pretty, so maybe I will do some makeup just to like make myself feel a little bit better. Okay, see y'all later. Good morning. He hates me. It's fine. Y'all, my hair looks so bad. I've been meaning to buy a new shampoo. I just don't know which one to get. I want to buy a good one from Sally's. Anyway, I'm thinking about, what was the name of that one that I want? Eve NYC or Eva NYC or something another like that. Yeah, I was thinking about getting that one, but I don't know. It's like kind of expensive, but like shampoo usually lasts me a good minute, so like I should be fine. Or, you know, like it, you know, the health of my hair is more important than how much it costs. But anyway, I really need to do my roots though. Maybe we'll go to Sally's today. Y'all see that regrowth? You can tell because my hair is like way more cool tone than what I dyed it. So like that's my natural hair color. That's how much my hair grew since the summer. Anyway, but I do need to dye my hair like I was saying. And yeah, I just made us some breakfast. I made me some avocado toast with onion on top, and then I made Chandler one piece of avocado toast, and then some blueberry waffles. We woke up kind of late in the day. I mean, it's like I woke up at like 10:30, but that's late for me now, because like usually I'm up at like 8, or before I was up at like 6:30, 7, you know what I mean, like out the door, just because of school. But today's the last day that I'm gonna be vlogging for this vlog, so I want to try and like make it a little bit interesting. I don't know, because I feel like I haven't vlogged that much, so maybe I'll just like vlog a little bit more of my day, because Saturday and Sunday, today's Monday by the way, Saturday and Sunday I was working, so I feel like I just, like I said before, like I just don't vlog that much when I have to work during the day, because I'm just at work, you know what I mean? So guys, I'm so sorry that this vlog has been so boring. I don't know, I just have not done a lot since I've been out of school, y'all. Sorry, but I think we're going to decorate the Christmas tree today, so I will film that. And we have a gingerbread house over there, right there, that we got from Five Below that we're gonna do sometime or another. And I've been posting on TikTok regularly though, so if you want to see more content like frequently, like every day, then go follow me over there. But anyway, other than that, I'm sorry that this was not the best vlog, but anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.